Okay. Alright, looks like it's working this time. Let me see. There was some technical issue on the previous live stream, so I just created a new link and hopefully it's working right now. Let's see. Let me just wait until more people come in because this is the new link that I just created. So let me see. Yeah, sorry about the technical issue. I was using VPN connection, but looks like VPN was not really working. So I turned it off and looks like it's working now. So for now, I guess I will just do this live stream like in this condition. Yeah, can you hear my voice and can you see my face in screen? Okay. Yeah, okay. Good, all right. Okay, it's working. Okay, great. So, yeah, glad that it's working now. Sorry about the issue and also reschedule for this today's live stream. I had to start 1 hour later than usual, starting at 3 p.m. in UTC time zone because there was a TV installation in the wall. So I had to actually wait for that man to come and I had to attend the installation. So now I have the TV finally in my new apartment. At least I can watch news and movies. It's good. Okay, great. Everything's all right. Okay, good to hear. All right. All right, so yeah, let's see. So let me start the live stream. So looks like there are many trending pairs right now. Multiple pairs trending, so hopefully you catch some trends and yeah, run some profits by Ichimoku or my strategy. And actually this is what I'm waiting for. This is exactly the market that I'm waiting for, the trending pairs, especially multiple pairs trending at the stable trend market. So let's start the session now. All right, you can just type one question or comment. You don't have to repeat multiple times. All right, so yeah, James, thank you for joining, and Maru-san, good to see you here too. All right, pound USD, all right. Yeah, it's yeah, hopefully you run some profits. Yeah, it's spiky in lower time frames, so always be patient and look for 3 confirmations in lower time frames as it goes on. All right, Won and World Tracker, thank you for joining. Asif, good to see you too. Thank you for joining here. All right, Waterfall and Charlene, thank you for joining. Great to see you. And Rama, Aditya, Mr. Fernandez. All right, Blackwater and Kishore, thank you for joining. Okay, so looks like it's working now. Great. All right, so let me squeeze my face. And yeah, just a quick disclaimer. This information today, as usual, is based on my own understanding and knowledge. So when you take trades, please do at your own risk. And if you can follow the guidelines and rules in this live stream, that would be great. Okay, so first let me talk about the EURJPY. The pair is going down now. This is the daily chart EURJPY, and this is going down. Clearly you see that the Kumo Senko span B down, A down, and Kijun Sen also down, and Chikou span below the candles. And price has been bouncing by this Tenkan-sen once, twice, and 3 times today. And I thought that this is a nice downtrending pair. And also, in addition to these confirmations, today, EURJPY, the support line breakout happened. 129.58 was the support line. It supported once, twice, and 3 times before, and today is a breakout day. So I did see other pairs trending, but especially I picked up this one to trade because I see the clear break of the support. Let's see, the other pairs trending are, for example, USDCAD is skyrocketing right now. It's very high. Pound USD is going down too. But Pound USD, I didn't take a trade because the price is near the support level in the daily chart at 1.3660 level. There are multiple supports here. So even the market goes down, it might be supported and reverses backwards. It might happen even before the price hits the support. So that's why make sure to draw lines on the daily chart or the weekly chart and make sure the price is not linear support or resistance. Let me see, Euro dollar is also a nice downtrending pair. Daily chart, Kumo's down, and Kumo's gaining thickness to it. It's getting thicker and longer. Senko span B down, A down, and Kijun Sen down too. Chikou span below the candles, so this is another nice downtrending pair. However, this one is also a bit ranging because if you see the most recent 3 or 4 candles, it's been ranging. It's going sideways. So it might take a bit more time, maybe 2 or 3 days more until the market breaks the support. So technically this is downtrending, so in the long term it might go down, but for the last recent couple of 4 days or so it's been ranging. Today is also doji candlestick and there is no trend, stable trend, downtrend. So yeah, better to pick up the other one that are trending and also not really near the support or resistance levels is actually the key. But yeah, this one is definitely downtrending. The market has been resisted by this descending trend line. So sooner or later, I expect the market breaks the support at 1.1769 level. So another pair trending is once again USDCAD. This is also a huge uptrend. Today, the market went up all the way, and pips wise, there is a almost like 200 pips of bullish market. So this one is a very nice and uptrend. It broke the resistance at 1.2648 and now looks like it's going up. And also another resistance is here at 1.2745 is about to break. But in this case, looks like the market retracing backwards. The close price is becoming closer back to the resistance level, and market is now retracing. So yeah, it might be closing below the resistance level of 1.2745 level. Let me check the lower time frame. Let's see 1 hour chart. Okay, looks like in 1 hour chart this is too bullish. So yeah, it could continuously go up in this direction. But when you see Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat in 1 hour chart, then the market could retrace backwards to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen. So I won't look for any buy chance anymore afterwards. So I think this is also a nice one to watch until the end of the day today, because this is still bullish as per Ichimoku confirmations. Alright, thank you for joining everyone. Great to see you as always. Yeah, let's see. Great, Maru-san, it's been trading the pound USD. That's good news. That's good news. So let's see. Okay, Janesh, I will cover the Nifty chart afterwards, after I cover these Forex pairs first, because myself is a Forex trader full-time. So I prefer to talk about the Forex pairs because these are familiar with me. And then I will move on to some other markets. So let me finish my analysis on other trending forex pairs. So another one that is trending is pound AUD. Oh, sorry, pound AUD is now flat in 1 hour chart, but in the daily chart this is up. So it's retracing backwards. So we have to wait for the uptrend confirmation in the lower time frames, in 1 hour chart or the 30-minute time frames. And let's see, AUD USD, this is also nice trending pair. As per Ichimoku trend confirmation, the Kumo Senko span B is down and A is down, and Kijun Sen down and Tenkan Sen down too, Chikou span below the candles. So this is a nice downtrending pair in the daily chart. So just make sure that there is no support level on this at this current price level. So I will squeeze a chart like this, and it looks like there is one line that you have to be careful, is this one at 0.7337 level, because you can see that there is a previous resistances became support, and the market went up afterwards in this direction. So in that sense, the market is dropping down to that level, and it might turn bullish soon. So I do see that this is a nice downtrending pair, but if I take trade, I will make sure to set the break-even line and then leave the chart. Otherwise, you have to exit very soon. The risk management is becoming a key in this kind of situation, because the market can retrace back up anytime soon. And let me check the 1 hour chart. Alright, so here is 1 hour chart, and this blue horizontal line is the reversal line, and the market is exactly on that level. However, you see that the Kumo is down, and Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen down, and Chikou span below the candles. So this is bearish as per Ichimoku confirmation, and the price has been resisted by this Tenkan Sen once and twice before. So, and also third time there was a doji candlestick or pin bar, and the market resisted by this Tenkan Sen third time, and now it's bearish. So what I expect here is that the market might retrace backwards to Tenkan Sen for the next couple of hours, but if it's going to be resisted by this Tenkan Sen, and if you still see Kijun Sen down, Kumo down, then that will be a great sell chance. Or simply, if you see the support line breakout at this at the level of well, let's see here, 0.7327 level, if you see the breakout of the support in 1 hour chart, then that will be a good timing to look for the sell chance in even lower time frames. So with these two scenarios in mind, I wait in this condition. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, thank you for joining, everyone, and great to see you. Thank you for the comments as well. All right. Let's see. Paul says, do you have a statement of live account? I have the performance posted on my profile page on my website, so you can visit and check that. Exchange says, hi Kay, can you describe the fundamental on pound USD because Freedom Day? Pound USD, yeah, I am more of the technical trader by using Ichimoku and multiple time frames. So as far as I see this market, by these confirmations, this is simply downtrending. Pound USD is downtrending right now, so we can look for the sell chance. However, as I mentioned before, the price is at the support level or the previous supports in the daily chart. at a 1.366 level, so the market might retrace backwards from here. Yeah, so let's see. Zach, yeah, Ichimoku is a great tool. Yeah, as the name suggests, simply at a glance, you'll be able to capture which one is trending, which one is ranging by 5 lines of Ichimoku. Oh, Orin, good job. Good job on the AUDJPY and AUDUSD. They are trending too, so I will cover these pairs again. Yeah, so let's cover the AUDUSD, and this is a daily chart. So today is also a bearish day on this market. As I mentioned before, this is going down, but the price is near this reversal level at 0.7337 level, so have to be careful for the retracement. If the market reverses backwards, then you can exit and just close the day. And let me check the AUDJPY. Yeah, AUDJPY daily chart also showing that this is bearish. Yeah, lots of trending pairs right now, going up and down, and we have many opportunities today. Yeah, usually on Mondays we have less volatility in the market, but today is kind of unusual that we have active market. So that's why I recommend everyone to check chart at least once or twice per day so that you don't miss these opportunities. So here is once again AUDJPY, and this is going down. Kumo's down, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen both down, and Chikou span below the candles too. So this is bearish, right? This is bearish, simply speaking. So we can expect the market continue to go down bearish in this direction, like this way. And with that in mind, you can also check 1 hour chart. And 1 hour chart also showing bearishness. Yeah, the Kumo's down. Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen also downwards, and a Chikou span below the candles. So this is another trending pair that we can look for the sell chance in this condition. The market has been resisted by this Tenkan-sen once and twice before, and looks like it's been retracing back to Tenkan-sen. And as per Tenkan-sen or Ichimoku nature, the market tends to retrace backwards after 9 candles of Tenkan-sen breakout or support. So in this case, Tenkan-sen bounce happened exactly on this candlestick, and 9 candlestick to the future is going to be precisely on the next candlestick. So now it's retracing backwards, so for the next 1 or 2 hours could be retracement, and it might reach back to the Tenkan-sen. But when the market continues to go down, if the market continues to go down this way, then we might see another downtrend, and then we can look for the sell chance then. But we never know. The market could break the Tenkan-sen and retraces backwards to the Kijun-sen. And if we see this, then Kijun-sen most likely will be flat, and Kumo also be flat. Senko span B will become flat, almost. So at that timing, you don't look for sell chance anymore. The market retracement becomes huge if you see that, and you don't look for sell anymore. Yeah, so that's actually the analysis on this AUDJPY. And let's cover the CADJPY and talk about the Nifty chart, because I got a few requests about Nifty today. So let me cover that one later. So here is CADJPY. This is another nice downtrending pair. The Kumo's down, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen down, and a Chikou span below the candles. However, this one too, the price is near the support at 85.41, and not only that, the Kumo is too thin. So if you see the very thin Kumo like this, the market tends to bounce by the support and retraces backwards in this direction. So you might see the bounce or range market. So better to wait for the support line breakout and then look for the sell chance afterwards, which might happen sometime this week. So that's the analysis. So yeah, Kumo is very important in its direction, and also the shape is also very important. When you see the very thin Kumo like this way, once again, the market, if you see the market near the support level or the resistance level, it can bounce and retrace. And it happens on any time frames. This is in the daily chart, but if you see this in 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, or even weekly chart, it tends to happen like this. So in this condition, better to wait for the breakout or the support and then look for the sell chance. And if you're holding the sell right now, then you can keep holding it and trail the profits along the way. But once the market reverses backwards by the support level, then simply exit and come back to the chart tomorrow to look for some other opportunities. Okay, so yep, let's see. Orvin, you're welcome here. All right, great to see you. So let me move on to the Nifty chart. Let's see, Nifty, and also all right, Dow Jones, I will cover that one too. And then USD JPY, I will cover that one too. All right, so let me check Nifty. So here is Nifty and the daily chart. There is a gap in between. Looks like there was some negative news in this particular index. So today's start is actually in between Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen in the daily chart. And Chikou span is now touching the candles. So this is range market now. There was a breakout last Friday, but today on the Monday started below the Tenkan-sen. So for now, we cannot really take trades because we don't know whether the market goes up or down. So we don't really take trades at the 50-50 chance because I don't see any edge in this market to buy. So let's cover the Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones has been dropping heavily now in the daily chart. Today's bearish. However, if you see the overall market by Ichimoku, this is still within the range. The Kumo is flat still. Tenkan-sen flat. Chikou span simply came back to the candles and touching, overlapping the candles. So this is range market. So from here, it might go up and down, and we don't know which it's going. So simply stay away is the right answer. It broke the support. It broke the support at 34,124, and it looks like this is bearish in the short term. Let me check 1-hour chart. Yeah, in 1-hour chart, this is bearish. The Kumo spin down, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen down, and Chikou span below the candles. So this is not a good timing to buy. It might retest the previous supports and reverses backwards along the way. I think, yeah, this is also the market to stay away. If you cannot sell it, then stay away is the key. Yeah, let's see. Let me check some other US indexes. How about Nasdaq? Okay, so Nasdaq also showing a huge drop for the last 3 days. Thursday, Friday, and Monday has been downtrending, and it's about to break the support also. Support at near this level, 14,482. Kijun-sen is flat now, and the Kumo is now flat. So yeah, this is happening, and it's reasonable because the price after the bounce of this Kijun-sen on the 3rd of June this year, the market has been above the Kijun Sen for the last 33 bars now. So as per Ichimoku nature, the market tends to come back to Kijun Sen after 26 candles, and 33 is more than 26. So no wonder the market reversing backwards to Kijun Sen now. So 26 candles, or if I simply count the number of candles, 26 was here, which was on the 8th of July. So yeah, since the 8th of July, we had to be careful for the retracement. And now it's going back to the Kijun Sen clearly. But after the bounce of Kijun Sen, it might go up continuously. However, if you see a breakout of the Kijun Sen, then you cannot look for buy chance anymore. The market retraces heavily, and that might be the end of the trend. So we'll see which way it goes. And also covering the S&P 500, this is also the similar case. The price is dropping down to the Kijun Sen now, and Chikou span is about to touch the candles, and this is now into the range. So in this case, the price can break the Kijun Sen, and then we don't look for buy chance anymore. The market could reach back to the Kumo, or it might break and it might turn bearish afterwards. So we'll see. Yeah, right now this is not a good time to buy for sure. Yeah, let me check gold and see what's happening. Okay, gold has been ranging still. Yeah, the Kumo flat Kijun Sen is down, but Tenkan Sen is up. Price is still in the Kumo. Chikou span too close to the candles, and this is ranging. No trend and no trace. If you don't see any trend on the daily chart or the forward chart, then stay away is the key. Yeah, even in forward chart, this is ranging. So yeah, not to touch in this kind of market. Alright, so let me come back to some Forex pairs now. Coming back to the USD JPY, I think it's still ranging. Let me see. Okay, so daily chart, AUDJPY is showing bearish now. The market is coming back to Kumo, but sorry, this is ranging market in the daily chart. In the forward chart, it's downtrending, but in the daily chart, I would say that this is a range. The price is coming back to Kumo. There is a Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, dead cross, and Chikou span breakout is happening. So once you see the Kumo breakout, that might be the beginning of the downtrend afterwards. So we'll see. I think, I think that will be the scenario in this case. And also, this is the neckline of the head and shoulders. So the neckline is about to break. So it might retest the area of 109.68, and we might see continuous downtrend too. Yeah. So that's the analysis on this USD JPY. I think so. Yeah, we do see some trending pairs and trending markets, but one thing to be careful is whether the market is still close to the support resistance or not, and also Kumo shape is also important. No matter how strong the trend seems to be, if you see the Kumo very thin like this, you have to expect retracement. So here too, in a forward chart USDJPY, the market is dropping down, but you see the Kumo very thin like this way. So the market is retracing backwards now, and you see pin bar, and afterwards it could go up in this direction against the major direction. So this is a very tricky market, and when you see this, better to stay away. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so that's the analysis for this, the AUD JPY. By the way, today's holiday, not holiday in Japan. Usually, every year, today's holiday, but not today, because the holiday is shifted to 22nd instead of today. So 22nd, 23rd is going to be the holiday in Japan, because 23rd is the beginning of the Olympic. So yeah, 23, 23rd this week, JPY pairs seems to be very weak. Alright, let's see. Gia, thank you for joining from Vietnam. He says, I'm also passionate about the Ichimoku. My multiples are 9, 17, 26. What multiples do you use? You mean Kihon Suchi number, right? Yeah, I do use Kihon Suchi number of 9, 17, 26. The original Kihon Suchi numbers are always effective in the markets. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see. Bitcoin looks nasty too. Wouldn't be surprised if it breaks the current support and trails all the way to 20K. Yeah, Bitcoin's bearish now. Yeah, I do see Bitcoin's bearish. I was actually watching the chart just earlier, and yeah, it does about to break the support. Or it is breaking the support now. Yeah, it broke the support clearly. Sorry, I got too many lines here on the Bitcoin. But simply, so daily chart showing bearish. It broke the support at 31K level, and there are a couple weeks pointing downwards in these areas, but I do see the support a bit weak, because these supports, the wicks are long, so I think the support a bit weak. And now that the market has been gradually going down this way, on the reversing the waves, I expect the market continuously go down this way. And also, this is another Ichimoku nature, is that the if you see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, dead cross below Kumo, this is the indication for this continuous downtrend. Whenever you see this dead cross, especially in Forex pairs or stock markets indices, this is a powerful confirmation for the continuous downtrend. But since this is Bitcoin cryptocurrency, I'm not sure. But just for your information, it might happen bearish afterwards. So yeah, after the huge spike due to China news, the market is afterwards been ranging. It doesn't really go up. Looks like the market is still struggling and more the bearish side. This is apart from Ichimoku, but let me check the stochastics, just curious if I see any divergence in this daily chart. So yeah, I think yeah, there is a divergence here. The highs are lower, and the highs are lower on candles, and highs in stochastics are a bit higher, or the sideways. So I would say that this is also divergence when it's ranging, and after this dead cross in the daily chart, it might turn bearish also. The price is now band walking too, so this is bearish confirmations. I don't see any potential buying power right now, so yeah, I guess I will just stay away or just look for sell if possible. Alright, look, yeah, I took a trade on the EURJPY. I am actually selling it right now. I fixed a profit of 35 pips on one of the positions, and other one I'm still in the trade. Yeah, price is still holding. Hold on, let me switch it to MT5. Let's see, hold on. Okay, so here is my position currently on the EURJPY. I sold it here, and I fixed one of the profits here when I see retracement, and also this reversal line breakout. That was my exit on one of the positions. And other one, I have the take profit line. I have the stop here, 19 pips below the position, and still holding this one because on the daily chart this is still downtrending. So if the market keeps going down this way, then of course I will keep trading on this one position. But if the market reverses backwards, then simply I exit here. So that's my position here at the moment. I think the pair is still trending down. Let me go to the EURJPY daily chart. Yeah, this is still downtrending as per Ichimoku. Yeah, Kumo's down, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen down too. Chikou span below the candles. And the price broke the support today, 129.58, and that's why I took the sell. And I do expect the price is going down to 128.29 or 27. 128.27 is the potential target in this condition. Yeah, so let's see. Charlene says, Benjamin says, hi Kay, can you go back to US 100 at 4-hour chart? Am I right that trend is going down? Let's see. US 100 and the 4-hour chart. Yeah, this is going down. Yes, in 4-hour chart it's going down, but the price is near the previous support, and also the Kumo is a bit too small. Very tiny Kumo, like a newborn baby Kumo here, so the downtrend is not really stable. So it might be supported at the previous support of 14,470, and it might retrace backwards to Tenkan-sen. So if you are looking for the sell, then I wait for the breakout of the support and then look for sell chance afterwards. So Kumo thickness and also Kumo length is important. If you see this kind of very tiny Kumo, then this downtrend can be fake and it might go up anytime soon. In terms of Tenkan-sen retracement, Tenkan-sen bounce happened exactly here on the 16th of July at 10 a.m. UTC, and the price has been below the Tenkan-sen for the last 8 bars. And Tenkan-sen takes 9 candles in the past, so we might see some retracement for the next 4 hours or a couple of hours afterwards. So from this reason too, you better hold. It might retrace backwards. Charlene says, do you need to have any requirements such as minimum investment to start investing a consulting business? Depends on how big you want to be. You want to do the business, the size of the company, and also how big you're going to do is actually, I think, the factor. UM says, hi Kay, what do you think behind the strength of yen? I think that's basically the inflation. I mean, the market is, bank is printing yen money right now, so simply it's going up. And also, unlike the market condition as compared to other markets worldwide, JPY is considered to be the risk hedge, and I think that will be another reason why JPY is a bit bullish right now. But if you see Nikkei, it's bearish. Nikkei index itself, this is bearish, and it just broke this P wave. Hold on, let me switch it to the daily chart. The P wave is broken downwards, like I mentioned yesterday on the forecast. So this might be the beginning of the downtrend afterwards. Okay, Lakshmi, thank you for joining, and Velos Pen, good to see you too. How many pairs do you trade, please? On my watch list, there are 21 pairs. I watch 21 pairs on my watch list on the right. But it doesn't mean that I take trades all these 21 pairs at the same time. I pick up the one that is trending and take trades. But I do monitor these 21 pairs every day. Benjamin, thank you for the comment. You're welcome. Francisco says, what's your view on Euro Pound? Euro Pound looks to be ranging now still. This is the daily chart. Kumo is flat, and the market retraces all the way back to Kumo, and Chikou span is still touching the candles, and this is ranging overall. But in lower time frames, you see uptrend. So let's see, in the forward chart, it is uptrending. But in this case, once again, the Kumo is very tiny, very thin, like this way. So you have to expect retracement at some point. So I can see that this is not a stable uptrend. We have to wait for the Kumo to be thicker and longer. And in that case, the market can really be bullish afterwards. Otherwise, it can be in a range market. Yeah, Paul, yeah, my main time frame is daily chart and the forward chart. I do pick either time frame, daily or 4, to capture the trending pairs. Hello, Brian. Thank you for joining. Great to see you. The life in Dubai is great. It's great. Finally, I got TV today at home. So, yeah, I'm settling in right now. In night view is so great. So, it's great. I will talk deeply about Dubai life on my second channel. So, please look forward to it. Orvin says, Kay, which book do you recommend to master price action? As for price action, I recommend to read. I have that on my website. If you simply come to Best Forex Books, and I did introduce one of the books that is good. Oops, hold on. Yeah, Trading Price Action Trends is very good by Albrookes. I've read this book many times and I get the essence of the price action and also other basic indicators. But recently, I don't really read the books about the tradings, but more I read the books about the mindset or risk management or like health, mental condition management. Because, and also the mindset of athletes or professional like poker player, chess player are very good also. Because you can learn a lot from their words and also their concept, their mindset, and you can apply it on the day-to-day forex analysis too. Okay, Dink says, can you check CADJPY? Is it downtrending in the forward chart? Let me check. Alright, CADJPY. In the forward chart, yes, this is downtrending right now. It's bearish. I think I put the analysis on my TradingView account a couple of hours ago. Oh yeah, so I mentioned that this is downtrending and it looks like it's going down now. So yeah, this is bearish. It broke the support at 86.01 and it's going down right now. Yep. Yeah, yes, USD JPY is now ranging. It's ranging as per Ichimoku confirmations. Yes, Arvin, you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so I guess I will be ending the live stream for today. Once again, thank you for joining today's live stream. Sorry about the schedule change and also some technical issues in the beginning. I had to create another live stream, this one. So I will save this one on the archive so you can always watch and enjoy archive. And if you want to make some comments, please do on the comment box below, and I can read it and reply if necessary. Okay, so yeah, we hope to see some other trending markets and pairs this week. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Alright, bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you.